Have you ever noticed something strange about your evenings? Some nights you finish dinner and feel completely fine. Light, comfortable, normal. But other nights, even when you don't eat much, you feel heavy, a little bloated, and not fully comfortable before going to bed. Now, most people think this is just aging, something normal, something unavoidable. But what if that's not the full story? What if a simple change in your evening food choices could make your nights feel more comfortable over time? Today, we are talking about something very simple: cucumber. And a very basic cucumber salad that many adults over 60 in the USA and other premium countries are quietly adding to their dinner routine. Now let's be clear. This is not a miracle food. This is not a treatment. And it is not a medical solution. But it is a simple habit. And sometimes simple habits are the ones people can actually maintain long-term. As we age, our body changes gradually, not suddenly, slowly. You may not notice it in one day, but over time you might feel dinner feels heavier than before. Digestion takes longer, sleep feels slightly different, and recovery is not as quick. Now here's something important. It's not always about eating more. It's often about what you eat at night, because your body at night is not in active mode anymore. It is slowing down, preparing for rest. And when you eat heavy food late at night, your body has to work when it should be resting. That is where lighter foods become important. Now let's talk about cucumber. It looks simple. It is cheap. It is everywhere. And because of that, people often ignore it. But here is something most people don't realize. Cucumber is about 95% water. That means most of it is hydration. And hydration becomes more important as we get older. Many adults over 60 don't feel thirst as strongly as before, so they may drink less water without noticing, and that can slowly affect how they feel during the day. Cucumber helps support hydration in a simple way, without effort, without planning, without supplements. It is also very light on digestion, which is why many people feel comfortable after eating it at night. But this is just the beginning, because how you prepare it changes everything. Take 2 cucumbers. Wash them properly. Slice them into thin rounds. Put them in a bowl. Add a little olive oil. Add fresh lemon juice. Add chopped parsley. Add a pinch of black pepper. Mix everything gently. That's it. No cooking. No complexity. Just a fresh, simple bowl in a few minutes. But here is something important. This is not only about ingredients. It is about how your body feels after eating light food in the evening. Because light meals do not overload your system. And that can change your overall comfort at night. But wait, because there is one small ingredient most people miss. That ingredient is garlic. Just a small amount. Not too much. Because garlic is strong. But when used correctly, it changes everything. It makes the flavor richer. It makes the salad more enjoyable. And that matters more than people think. Because if you enjoy a food, you repeat it. And repetition is what builds habits. And habits are what create long-term change. Now let's be honest. No single food will transform your health overnight. Not cucumber. Not garlic. Not olive oil. Not lemon. That is not how the body works. But small habits repeated consistently over time can make a difference. That is the real secret most people miss. People who switch to lighter dinners often don't notice dramatic changes. They don't say their life changed overnight. Instead, they notice small differences. They may say they feel lighter in the evening. They may say dinner feels easier to digest. They may say they feel more comfortable before bed. And sometimes that is enough. Because comfort matters, especially at night. Now here is something important. Most people try extreme diets, but extreme changes are hard to maintain. So they stop and go back to old habits. But simple changes like this are different. They are easy. And because they are easy, people actually continue them. And that is where real progress happens. Now I want to give you a very simple challenge. For the next 7 days, try adding cucumber salad to your dinner 3 times. That's it. No strict rules. No pressure. Just observe. How do you feel after dinner? How do you feel before bed? How do you feel the next morning? Do not force any conclusions. Just notice. Because sometimes the body responds quietly, and people miss it because they are expecting big changes. Now let's be very clear. Healthy aging is not about perfection. It is about consistency. Small habits, repeated daily. That is what builds long-term results. Not extreme actions, not temporary diets, but simple routines that fit into your life. So if there is one message from this video, it is this. You do not need complicated solutions to improve your daily routine. You need simple habits that are easy to repeat. And cucumber salad is one of those habits. Simple, affordable, and easy to prepare. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments. Have you ever tried cucumber salad at night? And if you are new to VitaSignal 60, consider subscribing for more simple healthy aging ideas. Because sometimes the smallest habits are the ones that quietly make the biggest difference over time. Stay healthy, stay active, and we'll see you in the next video.